Welcome back. In the previous videos, we've solved simultaneous equations where we had to eliminate variables directly, multiply one equation, and even multiply both equations. Today, we're going to work through another exam-style question that brings all of those ideas together. Let's look at the example. We have 4x minus 5y equals 22, and 7x plus 3y minus 15 equals 0. The first thing I notice is that the second equation is not in the usual form. So, before doing anything else, I'll move the 15 to the right-hand side by adding 15 to both sides. This will give us 7x plus 3y equals 15. Now our two equations are 4x minus 5y equals 22, and 7x plus 3y equals 15. Our first step is to eliminate one of the variables. Looking at the coefficients, neither x nor y can be eliminated immediately. I'll choose to eliminate y. The lowest common multiple of 5 and 3 is 15. So, I'll multiply the first equation by 3. Remember, every term in the equation must be multiplied. This gives us 12x minus 15y equals 66. Next, I'll multiply the second equation by 5. Again, every term must be multiplied. This gives us 35x plus 15y equals 75. Now our equations are 12x minus 15y equals 66, and 35x plus 15y equals 75. Now I'll add the two equations together. Adding 12x and 35x gives us 47x. Minus 15y and plus 15y cancel each other out, and 66 plus 75 gives us 141. So we're left with 47x equals 141. Now divide both sides by 47. This gives us x equals 3. We've now found the value of x. Next, we substitute x back into one of the original equations. I'll use 7x plus 3y equals 15. Replacing x with 3 gives 7 multiplied by 3 plus 3y equals 15. That's 21 plus 3y equals 15. Now subtract 21 from both sides, giving us 3y equals minus 6. Finally, divide both sides by 3, which gives us y equals minus 2. We've now found both variables. But before we finish, let's check our answer. This time, let's try to do it in our minds. Substituting x equals 3 and y equals minus 2 into the first equation gives 4 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 equals 22. Since minus multiplied by minus gives a plus, this becomes 12 plus 10 equals 22. Correct? Now let's check the second equation. 7 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 equals 15. That's 21 minus 6 equals 15. Also correct. So our final answer is x equals 3 and y equals minus 2. The important lesson from today's example is to always put the equations into their simplest form before you begin. Then choose a variable that's easiest to eliminate. Find the lowest common multiple, multiply carefully, and continue step by step. With enough practice, these questions become much quicker to solve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.